Hey guys, this is Michael from hypersforhome.com. Today I wanted to discuss a little bit about stroke patients and hyperbaric oxygen therapy. And when we think about stroke patients and a stroke, we think about basically two main different types of strokes. One is when a blood vessel bursts in the brain, and the other is blood clot in the artery in the brain. And both of these, unfortunately, when this happens, cause oxygen deprivation to the brain and tissue death to the brain. Because there's damage to the brain has to start healing itself. And it does this through a process called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity by itself will work, but it takes a long time. What neuroplasticity really needs is a lot more oxygen. So the more oxygen you can give the brain, the healing will go faster. Luckily, hyperbaric oxygen therapy brings 1,500 to 2,000 times more oxygen than naturally breathing. Another way of saying this is that you'll get the same amount of oxygen into the brain in 50 to 60 minutes while you're in the hyper than you would by just naturally breathing over 48 hours. What this does when you're in the hyper and what this does to the brain and how it helps is it'll help decrease inflammation.